Do you think it's gonna rain? Look at it. Getting right up to the... We have a little lake in front of George's. Over here. Gushing. Better than snow anytime. Oh, wow. Looks like I'm not going anywhere for a little while. Wow. What's that, buddy?